So here it is, the new iPhone 11 Pro Max in all its glory. This is like a flower, and in its center, the true beauty of nature. So, the new iPhone comes in black box. It is actually so black that it reminds me of the new iOS 13 night mode. So let's open the box. Oh,
Wow.
yes. This is the new, like a famous Russian Apple blogger Wilsacom says, "Ну нравится, ну нравится," which translates, "I love this. Yes, I love this." How do they do that? It's like I'm holding a treasure, a precious diamond in my hand. Let me a bit. Yes, it is in my hand. It is so green that I actually like it. Okay, so in the box we've got the same white thing. Witamy. Witamy, Apple. Prezydencie. Am I a prezydencie? Zdravo! And we've got the Apple stickers, of course. Here we have a new, big, the one that has been waited for years. 18th watt power adapter with a small but powerful too USB-C connector. Do you want me to open this or not?
I don't know. Do you want to?
It wasn't for you, it was for our YouTube subscribers who would, tap and just go to another part of the video. It's like a quest, like unboxing only those parts which you are interested in and leaving everything else behind. So the power cord feels and smells delicious. Oh. We've gotten one more here. It has a new matte texture like the new iPhone. Apple has such a deep attention to details. I admire it. Even the trash things are from the same aluminum feeling thing. So, what do I have here? It is almost blue sometimes. It's not that green. The color is really unrecognizable. So let's power this on a bit. Yeah, it works. Sometimes I'm afraid that it does not work and I will have to, not only go to the shop, but all the video will be gone. That's not the perspective I want. So guys, this is the new iPhone 11 Pro Max. Subscribe to my channel and maybe you'd be as cool as the Max.